Give a little update here. I pulled all the nails out, so now I got to spackle and touch up this wall too. I should have just left the nails in. But it'll be alright, I'll touch it up. Hopefully it'll look alright. Got that little thing there, I still got to spackle. And I touched up the hardwood floor here. I just took some walnut meat, smudged it in there, kind of darkened it up, and looks better than it did. This carpet actually cleaned up pretty good. I'm still going to do it one last time after I paint everything, because I'm going to make it dirty, you know, with my traffic. But at least I can kneel on it now without it being gross. And this blue spot here, this is soft. This is like crunchy feeling. So I don't know if they spilt glue on here, or I don't know what got spilt on here, but it doesn't look so bad now. And I ripped that thing down, and I got some spackle over the holes. I just got to sand that down. I smeared some spackle there, some wall poop there. And I painted this a long time ago. Do you see the spot here where there's like a square of wood grain showing through? Oh, it did up here too. That is so bizarre because I primed and painted that before. And over 3 years that bled through. That is so bizarre. Because you couldn't see any of this wood grain before after I painted it. I got this, the broken door that was here. I filled in all those big cracks with spackle. This whole end here too. That was pretty easy. It was actually pretty bad down here. So give it a little coat of paint and that'll look alright. Microwave's all fixed. The light bulbs for underneath there were all burned out, so I got to get new bulbs for that. No big deal. And this carpet came out pretty good now that it's dried. I got some more spots here, and I went spackle crazy. I'm repainting this whole room. We're going to go with a dark, almost like a bluish slate colored, a little bit darker than this. See if I can show you the color here. This gray right here, kind of like a light slate bluish gray. It'll look good. Cheap paint from Walmart. It'll do the trick. If I got the good stuff, I would have been able to use 1 gallon to do the whole room. But I got the cheap stuff, 2 gallons should do it. And I got a lot of spackling I did in here. I started sanding on the walls. I started sanding here. Somebody did a terrible job sheetrocking, and there's just been a seam here forever. I tried smoothing that out. It's better. And the girl that lived here previously, her dog must have been losing his mind because the poor dog would paw in the corner. See the marks I started spackling? I got more over here, but her dog would paw in the corner. Poor thing must have been losing his mind. Going insane with depression, poor doggy. Because she'd come home, let him out, and then she'd be right back out at the clubs again. Poor dog lived his life inside. Only got to go out to go potty. But got some more spackle on there, and looks like I gave myself a project for this room. I don't like the way the heaters look, so I will be painting the heaters. And I outlet checked a lot of these outlets. A lot of these outlets need to be replaced. They're just old, and you know, the plug, like this one's okay. See, they should fit tight. But some of these, oh, loosey-goosey. That's a fire hazard. I don't want to live above, because I live up there. I don't want to live above a fire hazard. And tonight's mission is going to be getting this rug clean. So look at this rug. It's a dark colored rug, but you can just see that big nasty stain in the middle. I don't know, maybe the kid's bed was here. Don't know. I can see there's evidence of like a toy box or a dresser there. I could hear video games a lot, so I'm guessing they had an Xbox down here or something. Kind of staining over here too. There's like a clean spot here. So maybe the bed was here. Copper, what are you doing? You get? What do you mean? But you're scared of the vacuum. I know you're gonna run upstairs and hide when I start vacuuming. Oh, what's in there? You just gotta explore everywhere, don't ya? And I've replaced every light in here with LED light bulbs. The new tenant's gonna like that. LED light bulbs, they last a lot. You're gonna get hurt. LED light bulbs last a lot longer and they use a lot less electricity. What do you want, Cop? You want to go up top? You're flickering your tail. You want to explore up here? Now you want to go up all the way up, don't you? I want to see what's up there. What are you doing up? You're flickering your tail. Has it always been like that? Ow! Ow! All right. I just poke a hole in the wall. All right, don't you get hurt jumping down from there. I got a vacuum.